Guys, how you doing today? It's me. It's me, Captain. Excuse me. It's me, Captain E3, once again with another video. This time, I got some trivia questions to throw to y'all aviation enthusiasts. Pay attention and listen up. All right. The B-52 Stratofortress. The year of its conception, on where it was first designed, and what year was the first flight of the B-52 Stratofortress. Question number 2. Chicago, 1979. Chicago O'Hare International Airport. American Airlines DC-10 takes off and crashes into a residential section, killing everybody on board and 6 people on the ground. That's question number 2. Question number 3. The B-17 Flying Fortress. What was the year of its first flight of the B-17 Flying Fortress? That's question number 3. And question number 4. What year was KLM Royal Dutch Airlines established? And lastly, what year was the final flight of the Space Shuttle? To learn more and basically like, comment, subscribe. And I have one more trivia question. What German ace during the First World War shot down a total of 8 Me warplanes before he was shot down and killed? This video will be posted on YouTube, so guys, I need for you to pay attention, okay? Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video and my other videos, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, see you later.